Diabetes desserts recipes for the whole family. They say that you do not have to wait for diabetes to strike to start treatment or the medicines. You can always take preventive measures to stall its onset, especially if there are hereditary factors or sedentary lifestyles that present within your family. Therefore, when you are looking for dessert recipes, it makes a lot of sense to go for diabetic-friendly desserts, as these do not only cater to the family member who suffers from diabetes, but the rest of the family will enjoy and benefit from them equally. The best thing about diabetes desserts is that these recipes not only curb the craving for sweets, a normal phenomenon with most diabetes patients, but it can go a long way to prevent the onset of the disease for others in the family, cure or reduce the diabetic surges for the patient concerned. However much we may realize the importance of balanced diet and physical exercise, there may be a member in the family who eats lots of fats and sugars and is probably overweight. The diabetes desserts in such families can serve multiple people with multiple needs. We all know that one of the ways to keep diabetes under control is to have foods from all the 4 food groups and delete alcohol, fats and sugars from the daily diet. The good news is that it is not always necessary to do away with desserts and snacks, even when you are a type 2 diabetic. Here is the recipe of one of the simplest but the tastiest desserts for diabetics, which can be served to every member of the family freely, without feeling the usual pangs of guilt. Diabetic fudge, one of the simplest of many diabetes desserts. The ingredients that you need include 14½ ounces evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons cocoa, 1/4 cup of liquid sweetener to equal 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2½ cups graham cracker crumbs, or any water cracker you can get, and 1/4 cup of nuts. Mix the cocoa and the milk in a pan. Add the sweetener and salt to the mixture and bring to boil. Stir the remaining ingredients except the graham crackers. After removing from heat, let the mixture cool for about 15 minutes. You can now divide the mixture into balls. You choose the dimensions, but golf ball size should make about 30 portions. Roll in the cracker crumbs and allow the whole thing to chill. Diabetes desserts recipes for the whole family. They say that you do not have to wait for diabetes to strike to start treatment or the medicines. You can always take preventive measures to stall its onset, especially if there are